Okay, remember those water drop cake that was like super duper popular on YouTube, like way before TikTok's time? Always wanted to make one of those, but the shape of it was very intimidating because it had to look like a little water drop. Now I did have it in Japan and it was so good, but I want to make it at home now. So here's the easiest way to make it, okay? This is for those of you that don't care about the presentations. Take unflavored gelatin or agar-agar, that's the vegan version. Take some of this, not too much. I say like a couple taps. Like this. If you put too much, it's gonna become jello, which is like too thick. Add in a little bit of sugar as well, like yay much, and you just add that in. You fill it up with water, mix it up, and then you're gonna pop it to the microwave until the little gelatin bubble thingies is like dissolved, kind of slightly clear looking like this. You just leave it out onto the counter so it cools down, and then you'll throw it in the fridge overnight. That's what I usually do for it to solidify. Syrup, just melted down brown sugar with some water. Okay, it's the next day and my raindrop jello is finally done. Can you see how it's like slightly jiggly, but it's not like a hard jello? And isn't that gorgeous? Anyways, I've been obsessed with this, and also I think this is a good way to get in some collagen, you know? And I have some kineko powder, which is like soybean powder. I'm gonna put some on top. It gives it like a really nice nutty flavor, which I love. And I have a little bit of brown syrup that I made last time. This is really little. I wish I had more, but this is all I got and I'm too lazy to make more. So I'm going to pour this on top. It gives this like a sweet burntness and it's so good. Now it looks so nice like this, but I'm going to mix it in because the last time I ate this and the powder was just dry, I literally choked to death. So I'm not trying to risk it again. So just mixing it in will just add some moisture to the kineko powder. Not gonna look very appetizing like this, but hey, it tastes so good. So then you just slurp it up. Here, I have a huge chunk. You see how like soft of a jiggle this is? Oh my god. This is so perfect for summer. It's so refreshing and light.